Be short in seconds, say what matters. Singapore Telecommunications, Singtel, has sold approximately 51 million shares of Bharti Airtel, India's second-largest telecom operator, amounting to about $1.16 billion, marking a significant step in its asset restructuring agenda. Announced on 8 November 2025, Singtel's divestment reduces its stake to around 27.5% from 31.4% in 2022. The shares were sold at 2,030 rupees each, about a 3.1% discount to Airtel's previous closing price. Analysts say this move reflects Singtel's plan to recycle capital amid shifting global telecom dynamics and to invest more in digital infrastructure and services. For Airtel, the transaction signals widening international investor interest and may improve free float and valuation metrics, but also shifts shareholder landscape. Market watchers will keenly observe whether this triggers further institutional moves and how Airtel manages growth amidst changing ownership. The telecom sector in India is experiencing consolidation, price competition pressures, and investment demands in 5G rollout. A sale of this size underlines investor repositioning ahead of the next technological cycle. While the market reaction was muted, Airtel shares fell about 1%. The deal sets a precedent for strategic exits by global partners in Indian telecom. Long-term impact may depend on utilization of proceeds, reinvestment strategy, and regulatory environment. For Singtel, the stake sale is part of a broader 9 billion Singapore dollar midterm asset recycling program. The proceeds are expected to be channeled into next-gen infrastructure and digital ecosystem playouts. Think business, think Be Short. Tap to subscribe.